Hi, my name is Alex Reeves, and in this slidecast, I will be explaining how to exercise intercultural competency and how to go about yourself while attending Adidas business meetings or seminars in Germany. Their culture is different than ours, but hopefully after this presentation, you will feel a bit more confident when traveling to Germany for a business trip. The first topic we will discuss is business attire. It is very important for you to be as professional as possible at business meetings and seminars. In Germany in particular, you are expected to look very qualified and respectable, as it is a big part of the German culture. Men must wear a suit and tie with dress shoes, and don't forget to wear a belt and button up under the suit jacket. Women will wear a dress or skirt or a button up with a suit jacket. Looking sharp and making a good first impression on your colleagues is crucial. Next, we will talk about punctuality. Another critical part of being a professional business person is being on time and being punctual. It can be rude and offensive to show up late, so be sure to leave early enough to arrive a minimum of 15 minutes early. This will allow you to avoid any potential time conflicts, such as traffic, as you never know when there could be a traffic jam or something else along the way. The next topic is personal relations, particularly language and greetings. Although it may be difficult to communicate with certain people while in a different country, some of your Adidas colleagues will be able to comprehend English and maybe even speak some English back to you. So do your best when trying to communicate and interpret information with German business people. When meeting and greeting colleagues, it is important to call people by their correct title, such as Mr., Ms., or Mrs. And don't be nervous when meeting other employees and top executives, as they're just people who share the same vision for the Adidas company as you do. Lastly, we will be talking about personal relations when it comes to interactions with colleagues. When attending business seminars in Germany, it is essential to be respectful at all times. Unethical behaviors are not tolerated, as their culture demands and expects the highest standards of professionalism. Networking with other Adidas employees can be very beneficial, as contact information can get you further than you know in the business world. So unethical behaviors are going to degrade these networks in the future, and you're just not going to have as good of relationships with the networks that you've made if you don't behave well at the seminars. Finally, we have the conclusion. Overall, your business endeavors in Germany should be an incredible experience, so don't forget to enjoy yourself and embrace the different culture. Remember to dress properly, be on time, behave well, and meet other colleagues. Be yourself, and you're going to do great. Thanks for viewing this slidecast.